Today on the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, we're cooking frozen burgers on a cast iron skillet on the stovetop. It's time to bring out the good stuff. And by good stuff, I mean that good old seasoned cast iron skillet with a little bit of pork fat in it. Got those third or quarter pound burgers, depending on how you like them, grass-fed, all natural beef. Now you're going to want to start out with a preheated cast iron skillet. Take a few minutes, let it do it. Put that burger down once it's sizzling. Let one side start to sear. After about 2 minutes, you're going to pour about a tablespoon or two of water in it, just to get it nice and steamy so everything on the bottom doesn't turn to complete char. And you're going to burp that pan too, because even though that steam looks nice, it's going to end up cooking your burger too early if you let the steam collect and the heat get too much on the inside. Now sometimes you want to do that, but this time on the cast iron skillet, you're trying to make a sauce underneath that burger so that when you're done, you got a little bit of juice for it to work with. Now as a general rule, cast iron will cook a frozen burger faster than a regular pan, and the heat control has a little bit more of a lag time to it. So you're looking at about 7 minutes for this burger, with a 2-minute rest time. That's going to be 3.5 minutes on each side. And after about 2 minutes on that first side, don't forget to put 2 tablespoons of water to make sure it has enough so that it doesn't burn everything on the bottom. Now, when you lift up that lid before you flip over the burger, you're going to want to season it. That's where you're going to put the white pepper, the garlic powder, maybe a little bit else if you like. That way when you flip it over, it's ready to go and it gets seasoned inside of there and takes a little bit of that juice and soaks up it when it's too. So you go ahead and flip that over, get it back in the spot, and then you're going to work it around the pan too as you burp it a little bit. Put that lid back on, let it steam up just a bit, but not too much because you're not trying to steam it on the inside. And at this point, both sides are basically defrosted. And so what you're working on is just getting that inside to where you like it. When you get that inside to where you like it, then that's where you like to be. For the 7 minutes with a 2-minute rest, that's going to leave it a little bit medium on the slightly well side. So if you want to have it a little sooner, go ahead and take it out 3 minutes on each side, and then a 2-minute rest, and that'll give you a slightly more medium rare burger to work with. Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Hey, I've got memberships that are starting up, so if that's the thing for you to do, please join, and see you next time.